Preventive maintenance processes. Check these metrics against the benchmarks you established when you were first building your preventive maintenance processes. This will help you identify where you are hitting your goals and where you aren't, so you can target issues in your program before they get out of hand. Take advantage of data capture tools to make tracking and analysis easy, quick, and actionable. For example, there are many automated reporting templates you can use that are commonly available in maintenance management programs.